You could earn more money tomorrow and still end up broke, because being broke usually isn't about how much you make. It's about habits. Small, invisible habits you repeat every single day without noticing. And today, I'm going to show you 7 of them. If even one of these sounds like you, that's the good news, because the moment you see it, you can fix it. Let's go. Habit number 1, you spend first and save whatever is left. This is the big one. Most people pay their rent, their bills, their food, their fun, and then if anything is left, they save it. But here's the problem. There's never anything left. Something always comes up. Rich people flip this completely. The moment money hits their account, they move a piece into savings before they spend a single dollar. You don't save what's left after spending. You spend what's left after saving. Habit number 2, you buy things to impress people you don't even like. Look around at what you own. How much of it did you buy because you wanted it? And how much because you wanted to be seen with it? The new phone, the brand clothes, the car that's nicer than you need. A huge amount of spending isn't about you at all. It's about other people's opinions. And here's the brutal truth. The people you're trying to impress are too busy trying to impress you to even notice. Habit number 3, you have no emergency fund. This one quietly destroys people. When you have zero savings, every surprise becomes a disaster. A broken car, a medical bill, a lost job. Without a cushion, you reach for credit cards or loans. And now you're paying interest for years on one bad week. Even a small emergency fund changes everything. It turns a catastrophe into an inconvenience. Habit number 4, your money just sits there doing nothing. Having money in a regular account feels safe, but money that just sits still slowly loses value. And worse, it misses every chance to grow. Rich people put their money to work. It earns for them while they sleep. Your money should have a job. If it's just sitting in your account, it's unemployed. Habit number 5, you only pay the minimum on your debt. Credit card companies love you if you do this. The minimum payment is designed to keep you in debt as long as possible, paying interest on top of interest. What feels like a small monthly payment can turn a small purchase into something you pay off for years. If you have debt, attacking more than the minimum is one of the fastest ways to free your money. Habit number 6, you have no idea where your money actually goes. Ask yourself right now, how much did you spend last month on food, on subscriptions, on things you forgot you were paying for? Most people have no clue, and you cannot control what you don't measure. The simple act of tracking your spending for 1 month is often shocking, and it's the first step to taking back control. Habit number 7, you keep waiting for the perfect moment to start. You'll start saving when you earn more. You'll start investing when things calm down. You'll get serious about money later, but later never comes. There is no perfect moment. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today, with whatever you have, however small. So there they are, 7 habits quietly keeping you broke. And notice something, not one of them was about how much you earn. They were all about what you do with what you already have. Money isn't a math problem, it's a habit problem. Fix the habits, and everything else starts to change. If this helped, follow for more. Every week I break down the money lessons school never taught you in plain, simple language. Your future self is counting on the choices you make today.